Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you found that your Dyson SV12 trigger is stuck and won't work, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to dirt or debris getting lodged in the mechanism or wear and tear over time. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage or complete failure of your vacuum, which we all want to avoid. To successfully carry out this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a small brush to clean out any debris. First, make sure your Dyson SV12 is unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the dust container. This will give you access to the trigger mechanism. Next, locate the screws that hold the casing together. Gently unscrew them using your Phillips screwdriver, taking care not to strip the screws. As you remove the casing, be mindful of any clips that may also be holding it in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the casing is off, you'll see the trigger mechanism. Inspect it for any visible obstructions or signs of damage. Use your small brush to clean away any dirt or debris that may be causing the trigger to stick. If the mechanism itself appears damaged, you'll need to disconnect it carefully. Look for any cables that may be attached and gently disconnect them, taking note of where they connect for reassembly. After removing the faulty trigger mechanism, replace it with the new one, ensuring that all connections are secure. Be sure to reattach the cables as they were originally. Now it's time to put the casing back on. Align it carefully and press it together, making sure all clips fit snugly. Replace the screws, tightening them gently to avoid stripping them. Finally, reinsert the dust container and plug your Dyson SV12 back in. Test the trigger to ensure that it functions smoothly. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your vacuum. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the trigger mechanism and ensure that no debris builds up around it. This simple maintenance can save you from future repairs. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.